Hi, this is the OPPO F23 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So first open the settings, tap the home screen and lock screen section. Also you could check the wallpaper install and we could see that unfortunately we have not installed the AOD option by default. So that's why we should open the Play Store app and in the search bar we should enter the Muviz Edge application. So just tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then installing on your device. After that, just tap to open the app, click to draw over apps and find here Muviz Edge application somewhere. Click to the switcher and go back to the app. Tap to AOD section and here select one from these available stems, click to apply, and now let's just lock the device. So we could see that the always on display option successfully activated. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.